Hi everyone, this is HPSKSGBLMCHMFam1 here, and I have an announcement to make. In a couple of weeks, or maybe a week or so, I am going to host a lesson with my friend Justin. It's a lesson where we do whatever we want, whenever we want. I don't know how often this video is going to be posted, but I'll let you know a week or a day before when we go on. So please come and please go on YouTube and watch the show. But if you have any title suggestions, because I have no ideas, please send it in. I am begging you. It's going to be a really fun show, and I just need a little help. So thank you. Just please send some suggestions. I think I have one more note. That's a video of me giving the tour Disney World and Kandani Drive Hotel. I'm very sorry that's by the way. I am not. I was a mistake. I'm very sorry about that. I messed up on taping on the camera sideways because I thought it would get a better picture, but it turned out I got all messed up on YouTube. Just please don't give me any bad comments about that. That's all the time I have today. So please, as I was saying, for the web show, please send me some titles. And please watch it. I don't care if you hate it, just please give it a chance. One episode, that's all I ask. Thank you. And if you love it, please watch some more. If you hate it, no bad comments, please. Just put it, just delete it or something. Just ignore it. Just don't put any bad comments, please.